With the advent of cloud-native application development, the developers have started adopting microservices-based architectures. They have started building containers which are then assembled in DevOps-style development pipelines and finally deployed into programmatic cloud infrastructure and orchestrated at runtime using Kubernetes. This shift has resulted in significant challenges in securing such cloud-native applications. Gartner, a technological research and consulting firm, in one of its research papers, have mentioned to successfully implement cloud-native application security, enterprises should use an integrated platform approach. Gartner coined a new terminology for such an integrated platform: CNAPP. Cloud Native Application Protection Platforms. Hello, I am Sanjit and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we will learn about CNAPP and know who are the current players in this market. So, let's get started. What is CNAPP trying to address? To understand this, let's try to first see the current landscape of cloud-native application security. Cloud-native application security includes scanning of development artifacts such as containers, cloud security posture management. This comprises the tools for identifying misconfiguration issues and compliance risk in the cloud. ISE scanning. This comprises the tools for scanning of your ISE, Terraform, Ansible, AWS CloudFormation and Kubernetes configuration files for known vulnerabilities. Cloud infrastructure entitle management. These are specialized identity-centric SaaS solutions focused on managing cloud access risk via administration time controls for the governance of entitlements in hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructure as a service. The primary goal of this tool is to mitigate the risk that comes from the unintentional and unchecked granting of excessive permission to cloud resources. And finally, runtime cloud workload protection platform. In the current landscape, all these capabilities are siloed, meaning for an enterprise trying to attempt for remediating their cloud-native application risk, they have to rely on multiple tool sets spanning across development and runtime. This gets further complex when the enterprise starts scaling their cloud-native applications. How is CNAPP going to address the concern that we discussed? CNAPP aims to consolidate all these silos which we talked about some time back onto a single platform. Think of it as an integrated set of security and compliance capabilities designed to help and protect cloud-native applications across development and production under one roof. By sharing context between development and production, CNAPP is able to gain a full view of application risk to consistently secure applications across their entire lifecycle. For example, for known vulnerabilities, a vulnerability score such as the Common Vulnerability Scoring System (CVSS) is a measurement of risk, but it represents only one aspect of overall application risk. The true overall risk of an application requires assessment and correlation of a broad set of information. For example, even if a component is vulnerable, the component may not be used in production and therefore represents no risk, or the application may not be externally accessible, reducing the risk. For cloud-native applications, an overall view of application risk is far more complicated than this. And otherwise secure applications may be left vulnerable through infrastructure misconfiguration. For example, a cloud networking path left open or its storage left exposed to the public internet. Enterprise security teams and DevSecOps architects need an integrated way of understanding and addressing application risk that spans open source software, custom code, container contents, cloud infrastructure configurations, and runtime protection. CNAP is that unified platform that combines the capabilities of several cloud security categories and provides a consolidated visibility and control of cloud native application risk. Another key benefit of CNAP is that it facilitates a bidirectional link between development and operations team. This ensures there is less divergence from the intended state defined by the development team and the observed state identified by the production engineering team. This eventually results in improvement of the overall enterprise security posture. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see a list of vendors having capabilities varying from development scanning, cloud infrastructure scanning, and runtime visibility control specifically designed to address the security requirements of cloud native applications. Since this is an emerging market, not all vendors have fully featured capabilities across all areas. On the bottom of the screen, you can see cloud native application platform vendors which provide CNAP capabilities integrated within their platform, typically at extra cost. Okay, that's all I had for this episode. I'm Sanjit, and today we learned about Cloud Native Application Protection Platform. Hope you found it useful. I will be back again with yet another episode and a new topic. Until then, take care and be safe. Thank you.